Alright, we're back at Cronin Ford with the F150 Lightning, and one of the questions that came up with this truck being heavier than the regular ICE 150, what kind of tires does the standard model have? The XLT and the XL work truck have. They both have the same tires, so let's take a look at that and see what we come up with. Alright, we have Michelin Primacy XC 275 65 R18. Max load 2756. There you go, 275, 65, 18-inch tires. Don't appear to be a LT designation. A weight carrying capacity of 2752 pounds per tire. So there you go. If you've got any more questions that you would like to have answered about the F-150 Lightning, leave them in the comments below. Once again, this is Jeff Welsh. Have a great day. Special thanks to Cronin Ford for letting me use their F-150 Lightning, and if you ever need any Ford cars, Ford parts, Ford service, visit Cronin Ford in Harrison, Ohio, and talk to my sales guy, Joe Stevens.